if you are planning your pre-wedding shoot, then you must watch this video. This is gonna be a complete and perfect guide for you. Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. Nowadays, young couples are as excited for their pre-wedding shoots as they are for any other function in their wedding. How amazing would it be if someone would just guide you about how to plan and arrange a perfect pre-wedding shoot, even to the tiniest details like making sure to carry your sunglasses or a flowy dupatta for that perfect movie-like shot, or maybe even a floral tiara. First of all, you need to find a good location for the shoot. Usually, photographers only guide you according to your choice and budget. You need to fix a date as per the availability of the photographer, makeup artist, and the location. Try for weekdays because such locations are sort of crowded during the weekends, and maybe if there are too many people around, then you might not get as great shots or you might not feel as comfortable either. And if needed, then you might also need to book the location as well. Certain locations don't require any permissions or have any extra charges to do a shoot over there. But if your selected location demands so, then you need to arrange for the same beforehand. You would not want any mess or confusion at the last moment. You also need to make sure that the weather is favorable during those days. If it's gonna be too hot or if it's gonna rain, then it's better to switch the shoot date. Also, you need to manage accommodation and all bookings for the entire team that's gonna be traveling with you. Photographers, makeup artists, or any helpers. For a perfect shoot, outfits are equally important as the location. The look and styling of your outfits provide the photographers with ample scope to portray their creativity. So make sure you plan your outfits for the shoot very well. If the couple is wearing well coordinated outfits, then obviously the pictures would also come out better. Color coordination automatically brings an aesthetic to the whole shoot. Also, you would have to decide the colors of your outfits as per the locations. Like if the background at the shoot location is gonna be green, then don't wear a green outfit. Rather, go for some contrast or some bright colors that stand out from the background. Now, the next confusion is how many outfits to carry. Generally, 2 or 3 outfits are also sufficient. But if you want to play safe, then carry 4, but not more than that. It's not gonna be possible to shoot with that many, and rather it would create confusion and unnecessary anxiety. Do discuss these things with your photographer and amongst you guys as well about what all is the groom gonna wear to coordinate with each of your outfits. You're not gonna figure this out after you reach the location. Rather, you would have to prepare matching outfits beforehand with proper accessories and all. Do get a trail gown for one of these outfits. Trails are amazing for dramatic and movie-like shots. Your photographer can guide you better about the color of your outfit because he knows what shots he's gonna take at each location. And photographs are also gonna turn out better when the outfit's color is planned as per the background. You can get any dream-like outfit for your pre-wedding shoot designed and custom made from us at Jasminum. You may find our contact details on our profile. The second outfit that you can carry is a short dress, again along with a coordinated outfit for the groom. Do take care of your footwear with short dresses. You can go for some really stylish shoes because they are gonna be fully visible with this outfit. Then third, you can go in for a casual look. Maybe casual top with jeans, or both of you all can wear matching t-shirts with jeans. Some funky shoot can also be planned for this outfit. And if not casual, then you can also go for an ethnic look. Maybe your regional outfit. Now that could either be a sari or a salwar suit. Groom would also wear something ethnic, obviously. If there isn't any girl in your team, then you can take along some female helper with you who would assist you in changes and getting ready. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is your hands and nails are gonna be in focus when the photographer takes any close-up shots or any intimate shots. So make sure to get a manicure and some nail art done, even if it's a simple one. Also take care of what hand accessories are you gonna be wearing, and even any other jewelry has to be planned, and don't forget to carry along as well. Also don't forget to carry some snacks and few basic medicines too. Else, if needed, then you guys would be spending more time looking for these items instead of focusing on the shoot. And if you are shooting anywhere far from your hotel, like maybe it's somewhere on a beach, then you can buy this kind of foldable tent from Amazon. You can easily get it for $1,000 or $1,500. Make sure to have a couple of meetings with your photographer before the actual shoot and discuss the poses and list of shots with him. If there are any special poses or a particular song that you want in your video, then do mention that as well, so that they can plan a list of shots accordingly. And if you want something elaborate, then you can plan this shoot over more number of days and not just a single day. A very important thing to be taken care of in all of this is the proper ironing of your outfits. And if possible, then do carry them nicely ironed only, because you won't have any time to iron your outfits on the day of your shoot. And also do get your hair blow dried. The makeup artist wouldn't have to waste any time managing your hair on the day of the shoot. You don't need to change your entire makeup with every change of outfit. A little bit of change in the hairstyle and the color of your lipper would also be sufficient to get a different look. You wouldn't want to waste a lot of time in makeup and all only. Spending too much time might cost you any special time frames. Like if your photographer has planned some shots to be taken during sunrise or sunset, but you were too busy getting your makeup done and that moment is lost. It won't be possible to bring that moment back. Usually shoots are not scheduled over a number of days, that if you missed a moment today, then you can have it again tomorrow. So make sure you plan only as much as can be executed comfortably. And also, if you're planning for a shoot during sunrise, then make sure you sleep well in time the night before, so that you don't sleep in the next morning and reach the location in time. Don't forget that none of you two is a professional model, so you might take some time getting comfortable in front of the camera. You would need some extra time to warm up. The best shots are taken when you are absolutely relaxed. That's when your poses and shots will look natural. Lastly, I would like to advise that you avoid any distractions like phone calls and social media during the shoot. If you really want your emotions to come out and show in your photographs, then be in the moment and enjoy every bit of it. I hope this video is gonna be so helpful to you to plan your perfect and most memorable pre-wedding shoot. Do let me know in the comments below where you are planning to get your shoot done. And if possible, then do share your pictures as well. And also do share this video with all your friends or soon to be married couples. Thank you so much for watching.